let's say it's Tai Chi or Qigong, and I start imagining that any direction I go, I feel an opposite force, now I'm activating my fascia. If I don't do that, it's empty. What we want to do is we want to create the opposite force so that the whole elastic body starts to open. And now we start relaxing into that. Now we have structure, now we have alignment, now everything starts making sense. Okay, so this is why we now imagine this barbell, because now we can check if we can grasp that concept and have an experience of it. Or else it's all vague, right? So we need to exaggerate in the beginning, because then we can make it more and more and more subtle as we go, until it's almost like, it's like a feather. You're pushing a feather around, but it's still open and still connected. And now we can sort of move beyond the physical. Now we can say, okay, let's move in energy, etc. But we're not distracted by the body anymore, right? So you could say there's two extremes we're working with, and there's a lot of stuff in the middle. But the extremes are, as you start engaging an imaginary opposite force, which is huge, you're starting to train and develop strong tendons and strong joints, because we want these open joints, of course, but we need to create a structure around it. So as I imagine like super stretching like this, I'm engaging my tendons, and now I start building them. And that's very beneficial for the whole process. But on the other end of the spectrum, from that, I want to be able to do it light as a feather. And then it's still there, but now I'm not distracted anymore, because now I start to feel and move more and more into the energy, and I start moving the energy around. But I know there's a support for it. So the more we work on the extreme side of the spectrum, the better off we are on the other side. So there's all sorts of object training you can do for this, and we'll do that inside as well. We have the elastic bands, and you could go even to the gym for this sort of thing. Of course, the trampoline is fantastic. That just creates a strong spine and a strong internal connections, because every time you land, it's a little bit different. So your body needs to adjust all the time and find the proper alignment. And try to not jump in alignment on a trampoline. You will fall off it, right? It's crazy. Okay, let's now try it without structure. Yeah, boom. It's not helpful, right? So you're being sort of forced in structure. And that's the same with an elastic band or in the gym. Now we just have to imagine it, okay? So it's all in the imagination. So let's go back to the barbell. And there's now two very annoying people coming, and they put weights on it. So it was 10 kilo, but now they put 10 kilo on that side and 10 kilo on that side. So now we have 30 kilos, right? So I'm in a sitting position. Yep, 30 kilos, Stefan. We've just begun. Okay, so now think that's lying on your shoulder, and you can already feel it, right? Now I want you to translate this weight that you feel on your shoulders towards kidney 1. Feel your spine, your center, kidney 1, and make sure that this weight can feel that part of your body. So now have that weight there, and I want you to gently shift your weight back towards the heel. And notice what happens as you start panicking. Panic, right? Bloody panic. So now you know how the body is structured. So bring it forward again until you feel, oh, now it's safe. I'm on the springy points of my feet. Feel the 30 kilos, right? Can we feel this? Yeah? Okay, now I want you to push it up slowly. Push it up. Stretch into that 30 kilos as you slowly bring it up. And keep checking the alignment. Keep checking the alignment until you're up. And now, how much are your legs straightened? Not completely, feel? You will never lock your knees this way, because that's very harmful. So this is the margin we have. Now we start dropping it back down again. And I want you to be aware of the alignment of the crown, your core, and the feet at all times as you come up and go down. Lifting it up and bringing it down. Slowly, feel the alignment. And notice I have stretch in the fingers, stretch in the palms. Because or else I'm just standing there. It's like, yeah, I'll give you I'll give you all my money. Right? No. We need stretch in the fingers. Stretch in the whole body. Yes. So I want you to feel now as you push up, feel the legs, Feel the stretches in the calves, in the quads, in the body as you stretch internally, going up and then going down again. This is a workout. Can you feel it? It's a workout. I'm sure these people passing by, they're like, oh, they're so relaxed in the park. But we're dying here. And they don't even know. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, once more, bringing it up. And now bringing it down. Now hold it as you're down. Hold it. Hold the structure. Hold the stretch. Feel it. Yeah. Is it burning? Yeah, is it burning? Good, good. Don't lie. Not lying. Or else we'll make it 50. Okay? Now I want you to let go of it suddenly. Drop it. The field's gone. Keep the position and it's gone on the inside. Okay. Feel the difference? Okay. Bring it back. Boom. 30 kilos. Bring it back in structure. Feel how you're grabbing your skeleton with stretch. Okay, and now drop it again. Yeah. Stretch it again. Okay, go back and forth a bunch of times. Stretching it. And then drop it. Yeah. Stretch it. Boom. Feel how you're grabbing all your bones now. And then loosen it. Yeah. 2 more. In. Stretch. Open all the tendons. Feel the 30 kilos. And then loosen it. Once more. Stretch it. And loosen it. And shake. Yeah. Yeah, so it's all in the imagination. Crazy, isn't it? Yeah, so keep shaking, keep rolling, loosen. Opposite force. Remember it.